Welcome to Regency Glass, where the difference is clear. Solar control glass is a specific type of coated glass that is designed to reduce uncomfortable heat buildup in rooms, while also providing excellent levels of thermal performance, even when compared to the very capable low-E glass. This makes it an ideal choice for applications that receive a lot of direct sunlight that can lead to a greenhouse effect in rooms. Solar control is great when customers require performance glazing that will prevent overheating in the summer and limit heat loss in the winter. Solar control glass helps to achieve better U values in IGUs when compared to low-E glass. Regency Glass stocks a wide variety of solar control glasses in a range of standard float and laminated thicknesses. For more information on solar control glass, feel free to get in touch with either Regency Glass or your local window supplier.